Hi, welcome to this Web3 developer course by Sankore, and today I'm going to take us through the initial stage, that is the registration process. And one thing to note is that this is a free course, and for you to be certified, you'll be required to submit a demo project following the guidelines you'll be issued during the training. Now, the very first thing you'll be required to do is fill the Sankore Academy Web3 developer free course application form. And you can read through the description as provided there. Then let's see what you're required to submit. Now we'll need your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email address, your age, your residence, that is country and city. For instance, Kenya, Nairobi, yeah. Then we'll also require your profession or current occupation, your professional qualifications, and why you want to join Sankore Academy. Then what is your coding language proficiency? And are you available full-time for learning? This is going to help us keep tabs with you on your progress during the course. And then you can specify who referred you to Sankore Academy. Currently, we have Joshua Tambo, Paul Otieno, and if your referrer is not among the options, then you can choose the other, then just specify the information down here. Then with that, you submit the form. Now that will be the first process of your registration. Now, I want you to note the email address you'll have provided on this field because you're going to use it somewhere. And as such, you need to note it. So let's move on to the next step. Now, the next step is coming here at Near University webpage. You can just Google for Near University. Yeah, then you click on the first option, Near University. This will bring you to this page. Now, on this page, we have featured programs. These are the programs that are currently being trained on. Now, for this training, we're going to go for Near Certified Developer. And as such, we'll click on Learn More. Then that will bring you to this page, having some description about the course and what you can expect from it. Then there's this Enroll Now button. You click on it. This will bring you to the registration page for the training where you're going to schedule for your training. Here is the page, and here are the fields that you're required to fill. Now, we have the very first thing you need to fill in is your time zone, and here you're going to specify your time zone. Could be UTC 8 or UTC 3, so you can just research on your time zone and fill it right there. Then you're going to choose a course and schedule. Now in this case, you come here and click on the add button. If you click on that button, you're going to have the courses that are currently planned or scheduled for training. Now here we have Near Certified Developer that is scheduled to happen on 21st, 2022 at this time on the recording day of this video. Yeah. So you can choose, we're going to go for Near Certified Developer. So you can choose either the options, this the first option or the second option. Now I've just chosen the second option. Then there's this link right here. This link is going to help you do time conversion, because apparently we are the training, the scheduled time for the training is provided in UTC. So if you want to convert these to your local time zone, then this link is going to be of help. You just come here. Apparently this training is scheduled to take place from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. UTC time. So you can just come here and select 7 a.m. let's go for 7 a.m. and let's see what that is in now that will help, that will convert it in your local time zone. Maybe I can just try and search for my local time zone right here. Yeah, now I have Nairobi somewhere. That is East Africa time. Then on UTC, I'm going to select 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Now that is 10 a.m. East African time. That is how you do the conversion, guys. Then you come back right here and fill in your full name, fill in your email address. Now, you remember the email address I told you to note while filling this form. The email address you'll have provided right here. Let it be the same email address you're going to provide here. Yeah, for easy follow-up and support. Now you can as well specify in which country you live in. Of course, whatever is marked with the red asterisk is required. Then you're going to provide your software development experience, depending on the options provided right there. Then you can list your technical strengths and why you're joining this course. Why are you joining us for this course? You can select as many options as you deem fit. Then how did you hear about this course? There's sorry guys, there's one important note I want you to there's one thing I want you to note right here, that there's this option Sankore. That is what you're going to choose on how you heard about the course. So please choose select Sankore for your answer on that particular field. I hope you note that. Then you're going to provide us with your Discord account. Now this one is going with this you're going to be able to join our Discord community. Yeah. Then if in case you don't have the Discord account yet, then you can just click on that link, and this one should enable you to create one. Yeah, I'm already logged in, guys, but you can just click on that and you'll be able to create one. Then provide your account ID right here. Here is the example of what you need to do. Then we have the near testnet account. This one is also required. So at this point, you need the near testnet account is going to, you're going to heavily need it for you to run your demo projects or for the development purposes, because this is what you're going to use to deploy your contracts to the blockchain. So if you have your testnet account, then you can just specify it on this field. But if not, then you can just click on this link. This should direct you to a page where you're going to be able to create one. Now, apparently, I have one, but I can just take us through the process of creating one. So the very first thing you're going to do is come up with your account ID. And here are the guidelines down here on what your account ID can be constituted of. Now, after coming up with your account ID, say, what can we go with? Test.testnet. Now, that account ID is taken. Test2.testnet is also taken. John W. Oh my. John W3 is not taken, so I'm just going to use that for the time being. Then you click on reserve my account. Then right here we have options, a security method, security options. you're going to use for your account. Now you can choose a secure phrase, which is recommended. Then if you have a Ledger hardware wallet, then you can as well use that. Then we also have some most convenient option, which is the email address, but it's not secure. So I'll go with the secure passphrase for now. I'll just hit on continue. Then here I'm going to be presented with a secure passphrase for my account. Now, this is a very important data for you to access your account. Now, they've provided an option for you to copy or generate new. That is if whatever you see right here is not appealing to you. You can just click on this and it will generate another set of words. Now you need to copy these set of words and store them somewhere safe, because otherwise you'll not be able to have access to your account except if you have this passphrase. That's why I'm saying it's very, very important. Now just copied it on my clipboard. Then I'm going to hit on continue. Then you'll be asked to provide word number 5. Now that is what you'll provide here. And after providing it, you verify. Now with that, you'll have created your account, or that will create your account. I don't know if I can just finish the process. Let me just finish the process now. The 5th word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, garage, right? So that is what I'll provide right here. Then verify and complete. If you provided the right word, then your account is going to be created. Otherwise, that will not be successful. Exactly. As you can see, I have John w3.testnet account already created. And now that is how you create your near testnet account. Now back to our form. Right here now, from my side, I'd provide John w3.testnet as my account on that field, because that's a required option. And from there you can as well provide your near mainnet account, but this one is optional. It means it can come later. Then after filling all that, please guys note, how did you hear about the course? Select Sankore. So you counter check your whatever you filled in, and just click on I'm ready to join the community. Just click on that button, and by that you'll have registered, or rather registered for the scheduled training. Now immediately you submit your response, an email will be sent to you acknowledging reception of your response. Then later an email will be sent to you on with a link to the training. Now apparently the training takes place on Zoom. It's an online training, so the link will be shared with you and the time, and yeah, that will facilitate you getting access to the training, or to the session rather. Yeah. So yes, with that you'll have registered for the course, and from there we'll keep tabs, guys, on your progress. And in case you have any challenge, you can feel free to reach out to us at Sankore, and we'll really be ready to support you with your codes and any support you'd want from us, just to ensure that you get your demo project ready for submission and for the certification. Yeah. Thank you, guys.